Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the AVAX Avalanche chart. The crypto sector is currently in a correction, so we'll take a look at how AVAX is impacted by that. Let's go. All right, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description. If you like to, you can subscribe or register on this website, and it's completely for free, and you get access to all of the Elliott wave updates that you can see here, from tech stocks to US stocks to cryptocurrencies and the S&P 500. But today we take a look at a cryptocurrency chart, and it's the Avalanche chart, very popular one, AVAX Avalanche. We only take a look at the one-day chart today. That is sufficient because it gives us all the detail we really need for a good analysis. And what you can see here on the chart, is that the price is most likely in a so-called wave 2 correction, right? So first of all, there are a few key levels that really matter. It's the $8.64 level located here where that red line is positioned. And this is the swing low of a wave 2. Magenta wave 2 started most likely magenta wave 3, which you don't see here on the chart right now. But the third wave would be made up of these 5 waves that you can see here in blue. So a third wave is normally the most aggressive trend in a cycle, in an Elliott wave cycle. And such a third wave is normally very aggressive. It's typically the FOMO wave. You know, you see it now in the sentiment. A lot of people are bearish. A lot of people think, oh, the altcoins can never go up anymore. And that is typically close to the low of a move, right? So typically the sentiment in a market is very bearish, close to the end of a correction, because corrections don't really form substantial lows when there is bullish news. They normally form a low when there is some bearish news or people are very bearish, right? That's the right sentiment for a low to form. And you can see that here on this chart. The market could indeed be in this wave 2 correction, which is a so-called A, B, C structure. The C wave could find support here between $13.31 and $24.42. And from here then a third wave rally could begin. This would be blue wave 3. So that means it would be a third of a third wave. And that is, I already said, the third wave is typically the most aggressive move in a cycle. But the third wave of the third wave, well, that's really the piece of a trend you normally want to be in. Now, I can't tell you to buy. I mean, altcoins are risky. It's just what they are. It's just important to understand that we are probably close to the end here of a so-called wave 2 correction. And standard Fibonacci support for a wave 2 is located between the 61.8 retracement and the 88.7 retracement here. $24.40 to $13.30, with an additional support level here as the 78.6 retracement at $17.48. What shouldn't happen in this particular bullish scenario is a break below $13.30. Yeah, we don't want a break below the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement. If it happens, then $8.64 is really the formal invalidation point. I would say below $13.30 and above $8.64, there's something like no man's land maybe, right? So it's a little bit of an in-between space where things are a little bit uncertain. But overall, the idea is that at the moment we are watching if the market can generate a reversal in this support area. Now, to the upside then, $49.95 is a key breakout point to the upside. And that's going to be our signal that a third of a third wave, a very aggressive uptrend, has indeed started. What is important and noteworthy is that you can see that this wave 2 correction is very stretched out. It is possible that this is a so-called flat correction. I mean, that's our assumption, where the A wave was a 3-wave move, the B wave was a 3-wave move, and the C wave to the downside is currently unfolding and would be a 5-wave pattern. It doesn't look finished. It doesn't look completely finished, so it could still extend a little bit more this C wave. Overall, minimally we want to see a first micro 5-wave move to the upside, which is not visible yet, and then overall a break above $49.95 would signal a third of a third wave, and that should take us to probably somewhere around $120 to $140. But once we have really the low established, we can calculate the target for blue wave 3 even better and more precise. That will depend a little bit on the microstructures, because bear in mind also this third wave in blue will most likely have another third wave. Okay, it's always you find all these 5-wave patterns also in the microstructures. Yeah, that's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on our website. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency you want me to cover going forward. Activate the notification bell. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.